let's say tomorrow's Monday, let's say, and I want to prepare for Monday night's dinner, and I know I don't really have anything. I take my phone, I take a picture of the recipe with my phone, so it's in my photo album. And then tomorrow night on my way home from work, I stop off at the grocery store. I look at my photo album and what it's calling for. I see what I don't have, like maybe the beef fajita, the beef. I pick it up pre-made in the freezer section, pick it up, bring it home, and I have everything ready. But everything's handy in my phone. So I take photo pictures of the recipes, and the recipes are done, so we don't really have to read them. That was the goal. Just kind of look at the ingredients and throw it together. It should be that easy, okay? So I hope that helps. Don't stress out. Know what to eat. What's going to happen is you're going to learn some of these basics, so you're going to know. But I did want to make sure you knew how the recipes were designed in terms of the recommended menu, and you eating that in the day to get you into ketosis, okay? So I hope all's well. Hang in there. We're just starting, and it's really, really easy.